Listen, this is one of those winter mornings where you just accept you're staying home. And on mornings like this, I automatically want something warm, something that sits with you, something that, gives you sustenance. So we're making cornmeal porridge. So first things first, I whisk cornmeal with 1 cup of water in a separate bowl. Please do not skip this step. This is how you prevent lumps. Dry cornmeal straight into boiling liquid is a disaster. You get clumps, stress, and you end up regretting it. So whisk it smooth first. In my pot, I have water. I'm adding some cinnamon leaves. Then I'm going to add the coconut milk and a little salt. Then I bring that to a rolling boil. Now, my mother makes the best cornmeal porridge. I'm not even lying. And I can't say I outdid her. I did my best, and that's all I'll say. But as I'm making this cornmeal porridge, all I can hear is her in my head. Make sure the coconut milk cook out. Because if you don't cook it properly, she would say all that fat is going straight to your stomach and your rear end. And she didn't even say rear end. She used the 3-letter word. So if you know, you know. Another thing, don't try go doing your own thing by pouring in the cornmeal into the water because you're going to regret it. Dry cornmeal straight into boiling liquid is a disaster. You get clumps and you only become more stressed. So whisk it smooth first with your water and your cornmeal. Just whisk that and then you add it in. Now I'm adding my spices: nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and almond extract. The almond extract is optional, but it's worth a try. So go ahead and try that on your own. Once the spices go in, you'll notice the color deepens slightly and the porridge starts to look richer. This is where patience matters. You're going to let it simmer. Don't rush to turn it off because the cinnamon and the nutmeg need time to fully blend into the cornmeal. And if you stop cooking too soon, you'll taste everything separately instead of it being smooth and balanced. Cornmeal needs time. If you rush it, it will taste gritty. The granules have to soften fully. You want smooth, not sandy. So while it cooks, I just whisk occasionally and let it do its thing. And honestly, this is where I start thinking about growing up cornmeal porridge on school mornings. Oh my God. Cornmeal porridge when somebody wasn't feeling well. Cornmeal porridge even when you just given birth. It's just amazing. It's one of those meals that just carries a lot of memories. After about 20 minutes, once I can tell the texture has softened, I just go ahead and sweeten my porridge. You can use brown sugar, you can use condensed milk, or you can do the combination of both. Some people like their porridge very sweet and some don't. I still like to taste the spices and the coconut, so I don't overdo it. By now, the snow is still falling outside, but inside it's warm and the kitchen smells amazing. And I'm just standing here thinking, I hope my mother would approve of this because Caribbean mothers, they will humble you real quick. I will say this, even if I didn't outdo my mother, I'm proud of this bowl because it's thick, it's smooth, the coconut milk cook out properly, so I won't hear any commentary about where it's going. I like serving mine with crushed up water crackers. If you grew up like that, then you already understand. So if you grew up eating cornmeal porridge, I want to know, how did your family make it? Did they add cinnamon leaves, more nutmeg, less coconut milk? And if you've never made it before, this is your sign to try it on your next cold morning. Save this video so you have it when you need it.